New Year and welcome back to Hello High for another great recipe. Now today I'm not showing you how to cook with cannabis, and I'm actually showing you a new recipe, and we're making Fruity Pebble chocolates using mushrooms. And I'm also showing you how to use the new Hello High candy molds. Now you can put chocolate in these, you can use them for gummies, you can use them for cute soaps, and they are leaf shapes. So you get 20 leaf shapes. They come in a pack of 2, and they are available on Amazon and on the Hello High Cooks website. And if you are ready for a new mushroom recipe, let's get started. Now for this recipe, you'll need the new Hello High candy molds, white or dark chocolate, Fruity Pebble cereal, 14 grams of mushrooms, a candy thermometer, a coffee grinder, and piping bags or ziplock bag. Hey guys, these are the new Hello High cannabis leaf molds I'm using today. Now you can get 2 pieces in each pack for a total of 40 leaf cavities. And look how detailed the leaves are on these molds. They are about an inch deep and hold close to a tablespoon in each cavity for a full size, not a mini, a full size piece of candy. And you can find these on Amazon or the Hello High Cooks website. Now I'm using Fruity Pebble cereal for this recipe, but feel free to use any cereal you like. Now start by adding a 1/4 cup of cereal to a sandwich bag, then crush